Vehicle Tracking Pvt Limited is a state-of-the-art assembling facility geared to assemble electronic components into semi-knockdown printed circuit board. PCBs are the brain of an electronic device, especially for vehicle tracking. SKD PCBs are built and tested on the most advanced platform, optimized to provide optimum results. Multi-layered semi-knockdown PCBs are mounted on very many components with precision and soldered to perfection by most abled hands. Magnification camera is 1000x and frame is magnified 1000 times from its original to assist in immaculate assembly of PCB and soldering thereon. Our microscopic camera is second to none. Firmware burning is performed by a specialized jig interfaced with computer software to program the module. Final PCB is tested on microscopic camera for visual inspection to troubleshoot, if any, or discard the faulty. This assures the presence of all functionality in the final PCB to meet the international standards, and this is analyzed through a tool that contains data in a SQL. SIM is affixed in the tested board and sent to final testing and configuration as per the client's requirement. Quality check is the last step before the device is installed in client's vehicle.